Hi, today we are going to take a look at a music generation AI platform called Suno AI. It's very popular on the internet, so we decided to take a look at it and give it a try and see how good the platform performs and generates the music. So now you too can be an Annu Malik or an AR Rahman. Hi, this is Ashish here and welcome back to Coders Academy. Before we proceed into the video, a small request. If you like the content that we make, do not forget to subscribe the channel and like the content. A small disclaimer, this is not a sponsored video and we are doing it just for the sake of learning and understanding the AI landscape. Now let's jump into today's video. So once you sign up and sign in to Suno application, you will be greeted with a welcome message, and let's go through this next. So you can select the kind of genre you want to use for creating your music. There are multiple options here: Bhangra, Pakistani pop, Desi, techno, rap, samba. We hit next. And this is our Suno profile, which is fine. So now let's try to create a song from scratch. So you can describe your song here. So I have a prompt which I'll try to use here. Generate a modern Bollywood style track with patriotic theme celebrating India. It should be a blend of energetic beats with Indian traditional instruments like tabla, dholak and sitar. So before we hit the create, we can also provide a lyrics. So let's go to ChatGPT and create a simple lyrics for a patriotic theme song. In the ChatGPT, what I have done is I've written a prompt: act like lyricist Anand Bakshi, make a Bollywood patriotic song for India, and the song should describe the beauty of India. So here is what ChatGPT has given me, a song called Mera Bharat Sabse Nyara, and you can pause the video and go through the entire lyrics here. So we'll copy this entire lyrics and we'll paste that into the Suno app. So let's copy this. And I've pasted that in the Suno app. Now the entire lyrics is copied. You have some advanced options here to include, exclude certain styles. We'll enter the song title and hit create. So now it's trying to generate these songs for us. So I believe, yeah, so it has started with two options here. So let's see what songs we get as an output. So after some time it has created the songs. Let's hear the first song here now. So this is the complete lyrics and we'll play the song.
मेरा भारत सबसे न्यारा नंबर यार बॉलीवुड स्टाइल आनंद बख्शी धरती सोने की नदियां चांदी हवा में भी रस घोले बोलो जैसी बोली बोले दिल में प्यार ही डोले ऐसा देश है मेरा सबसे न्यारा मेरा भारत सबसे प्यारा हो सूरज में
Song now let's try to export that. So we have a download here. It's giving us a warning that you can retain your commercial rights if you have a pro membership, but we'll say download anyway. Now let's hear the second composition that it has given us. So this is the second composition. Let's play.
धरती सोने की नदियां चांदी हवा में भी रस घोले धुलो जैसी बोली बोले दिल में प्यार ही डोले ऐसा देश है मेरा सबसे नारा मेरा भारत सबसे प्यारा
Now let's take a look at some of the other features that are offered by Suno AI. So if you look here in the home screen, here you can see stem extraction. So which allows you to extract any sound with precision, splits a track into 12 clean stems with vocals, drums, beats. So if you wish, you can basically edit your songs. You can extract specific music of specific sounds of the music like drums, guitar and whatever. Then if you wish, you can also edit your songs here. So you can add the song of your choice. Okay, so make any edit you can imagine, reorder, rewrite, and make your track section by section. Go to your track and click the edit button. So this is another feature which is offered by Suno AI. And then finally you can extend the uploads. So upload the audio file up to 8 minutes. So let's see what is this. Yeah, so upload your full songs up to 8 minutes and start creating from your own audio, whether it is a complete track or a single riff. So these are very important features that are already offered by Suno. There's a library here. Yeah, so these are the songs that we created. Okay, you can explore the library of other people. So whatever songs that have been created here, you can pick us. Okay, roll a dice. This is nice. And then play a song. Next. Next. Okay, so let's roll a dice again. So this rolling of dice is a really cool feature where you can play around with the different permutation combinations. You can also take a look at the trending songs on the Suno application, and you can filter it by different genre, different libraries, or different, and you can filter it by different languages, and you can see the weekly topping charts. What are the ones which are top performing? So let's hear one of them. Oh, we still dance through the noise, still shine through the smoke. Sometimes. Yeah, so I think it's a very good application for creating your own music. A pro subscription, you can also get copyrights to your songs, and people have created a lot of variety here across different genres and different languages here. Okay, so there are different categories available, trending playlists. You can create a playlist of your own. These are the showcase songs by Suno, and these are the top creators on the platform right now. So that was your video for today. So we created a brand new song along with the lyrics and the composition from scratch. It was a patriotic song with modern Bollywood theme. We also explored what all different options and features the Suno AI application provides, along with the editing power and extraction of specific parts of the music, including drums or sitar. The music that we composed from this will be available on my GitHub repo, the link to which will be available in the description box. So what are you going to create today using Suno AI? Let me know in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you so much for watching.